He's got it. Sorry.
I think he got it.
No. He's rolling with it.
He's on there. You done lost it.
Keep going.
There you go. It's on.
He's on. He's on, baby.
Now it's coming back this way.
Well, he's buried it when he is.
Which way you want me to go, Papa?
Go for it.
That one feel good? Well, breaking the ice though. Another very, very dark fish. All right, Mr. Jim is on. This one was tricky. Played with it for a while, but we finally got him on. We got us an old pro right here at handling the catfish.
Yeah, they woke up.
Woke up.
There he is. That's a good one, Jim. That's a good one, buddy. Nice.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good one.
Baby.
I wouldn't believe he would have been that big.
I wouldn't either.
The way he was biting that thing though.
Coming to the boat with it.
Yeah.
Coming to the boat, just kept playing with it. Right, Jim with a good flathead right there. Looks like he's a little beat up, been spawning a little bit. You see the on the back side there?
Too big.
So I had a July the 4th trip last night. Captain Shannon took us out. Grandpa Jim Covington comes through with the big flathead, the biggest fish of the night. So you know what that means. Big cat. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. Thank you.
Where the captain get a big cat?
You just eat it.
you mean why I ain't so much
Damn.
Jim, you might be in trouble.
You think? It didn't take long, did it?
Oh, he put him down.
You go, Abby.
I've done too much talking. I've got to make this good. He probably weighs 5 pounds.
Shoot.
Yeah, he's probably more than that. He's up the top there. Current rolling today, though.
You ain't kidding.
They come in top. He ain't lifting.
Where is it?
Oh, they see him rolling a little top.
Down here.
Yeah.
That line snaps, I'm going overboard. I did that in Alaska. Pulling in a salmon. Reared back on that sucker like this. And it went snap. Oh, he ain't happy. Come on, come on.
I was gonna say the little ones would
He looks like a skate. Come on, Bubba. I got We went fishing for halibut in Alaska, and I swore if I ever got this level to the shore, they could have it because I could have pulled up a Volkswagen with less work. You got him?
Good work.
Score!
Good work.
Here. You want me to? I don't.
I got all your video covered.
Did he get off?
No, he's still there. He's just a little.
Oh, he's just being nice.
No, he's just a little.
You're not gonna have to kill him, are you?
No.
I hear him crunching. I
Here,
know, I
take it.
saw him.
Where is he at? Is he in that other line or you get over?
That's what I'm trying to figure out. I think he is.
We'll get it. We'll get it sorted out.
No,
That's pretty.
clear.
Get that rod there.
I think it's clear.
Here.
Oh, he is there. One line.
You want me to put him back?
No, we'll get him.
Oh, he's a twin.
Yep. Mm.
He's gone. Come on, buddy. Come on here. You go ahead and
Go ahead and put him in.
No, I'm
When you've got him, put him up. Where is he? Oh, I see him.
Jim's found fish number 2.
Yeah, he won't be good.
There you go, Jim. There you go.
Well, I'm not doing it.
We got some leverage up there. Good old current catfish busting the water.
Now, while they flew up here to pay for something else.
They like the cook. They like the curve.
What are the others like?
Blair don't really like it as much.
That's what we used to get the peacocks.
That's right. Little torpedo.
As long as he's bigger than 24 pounds. I don't want him to keep up in the game.
Yeah, he just twirling when he turns like a
Yeah,
log.
that's all he's doing.
He's just along for the ride, isn't he, Jim?
Yeah.
Get him on top of the skin before.
He's just along for the ride, this fish.
What you do?
Kind of a little bit like dead weight coming at you, isn't it?
That's another blue.
Mm-hmm.
Watch out.
All right, Grandma's got her one on. Step forward a little bit if you can, Abby. There you go.
Is that all right?
Mm-hmm, you all right. Just keep some tension on them coming back to her. There you go.
Yeah, he is.
Here you go, Shannon.
Sucker. Just keep
Here you go,
going
Shannon.
with him.
Here you go, Shannon.
Come on, sucker.
You're doing good. Look at that. Uh-huh. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Jim, you're in trouble. Hang on, Abby.
You got it, man.
I believe I am.
He's pissed off at this light, too.
That is stout.
Oh, that's a good one right there. Holy crap.
I didn't say it. I didn't know whether you had that on or not.
Give me a little slack.
There you go. You can pull your rod up. You got it. I hit the button on it.
Okay.
There you go. I got it. Here you go, Jim.
Big. I'm trying to get out of the way.
Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo.
Pretty
Oh,
big granddaddy.
too bad.
Oh, Lord have mercy. That is a piggy.
A piggy piggy. You got blood all over the boat.
There you go. On to the bottom.
All right, so we're wrapping up the Wicked Cats family vacation. It's been a great week out here. A lot of fun playing out around this dock in beautiful Montgomery County. You got to come out to Lake Tillery sometime, visit Stanley County, visit Montgomery County. It's awesome. You'll see that in this video that we're putting out. Cool thing is, last night we wrapped it up with our last cat fishing trip, and Grandma, Abby Covington, goes out and catches the biggest flathead and biggest fish of the week, which is also her personal best.
Exactly.
We had a blast. Thank you for having us up here. Lindsay and I had a great time up here with everybody, but the most important thing is you get a big cat.
I earned it.
She earned it. Wasn't but about 2 seconds here and Michaela done stole Grandma's Kit Kat, but
That's right.
Grandma might share it with her. I don't know. We'll see.
Anytime. Anytime. Share it with my angel.